Hello everyone, and welcome to Holland College. My name is Brett Casey, and I'm part of the first year advising and recruitment team here with Holland College. We're here to help support students as they begin their journey with us, and we are thrilled to have you joining us for the 2025-2026 school year. We know that starting college can be exciting, but it can also come with a few questions, especially if this is your first time registering for classes. That's why we've created this video, to walk you through how to use the Holland College self-service website. Self-service is the platform that you'll use to register for your courses, view your schedule, and manage your personal and academic information. In the following video, I'll guide you through each step of the registration process so that you can feel confident and ready to build your class schedule. Thank you for choosing Holland College. We're here to help. We're excited that you're here. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is be able to navigate our website. So you can go online and type in hollandcollege.com, which will bring you to this page here. So from this page here, we're going to want to access self-service. To do so, you hit login, go down to self-service, which will bring you to our sign-in page here. If you're a first-year student, you're not going to have an account, so we're going to have to create one. And to do so, we hit retrieve it, which will bring you to this page here. From here, you put in your last name and your email address. And then shortly after, you'll be emailed a username. And once you've gotten your username from the email, you're going to go back and hit reset it. Put in the username that was given to you and your email address. And now they're going to email you a password that you can use to log into self-service. So once you're granted access to self-service, this is what the main page will look like. You can see student finance, student planning, grades, etc. But the one we're going to focus on today will be student planning. So we'll go ahead, click on that. From here, you can see that there are two steps to this process. We have viewing your progress, and we have planning for your degree and registering for classes. So we're going to go ahead and click on step 1. After clicking on step 1, you'll be brought to this page. At the top left, you can see the program that you've been accepted to, but for the sake of the video, we're going to use computer information systems. So from here, you're going to want to scroll down so that you can see a full list of all the courses that you're going to be in during your studies at Holland College. Now today, we're only going to be registering for our 2025 fall courses and our 2026 winter courses. Now you'll also all have access to this page by clicking the Register Now button on the main Holland College website. After finding your program and clicking on the registration information drop-down, you'll see this page, and this is what's called a program map. It was created for you as students to view the correct courses that you have to register for depending on your program. So you can see here, these are all the courses that we'll be registering into for the fall 2025 semester. And if we scroll down, these are the courses for our winter 2026 semester. So the easiest way to begin to register for our courses, we'll take a look at our program map. Again, you'll all have access to this through the Holland College main website. And we're going to begin to register for our fall 2025 courses, with the first one being Business Communications. So we can go ahead and go back to our course catalog here and scroll until we see Business Communications. So we'll go ahead and click on it. And then again, we're going to view available sections for Business Communications here. And add this section to the schedule. So now if we go back to progress, we can scroll down and see that Business Communications has been planned. So now we can go back to our program map and see the next one will be Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. So we'll go back to our course catalog, click on it. And now from here again, we're going to click View Available Sections for Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. Now there's a few things we want to keep in mind when registering for some courses. One thing is we want to make sure that we're registering for the fall semester, because if we go back to our program map here, we can see that this course here falls under the fall 2025 semester. And the second thing is some programs are broken up into two groups because of a class size. So we'll have group A and there will also be Group B. If you're registering for a course that has A and B, it's really important to remember that you must keep the same letter throughout the whole registration process. So if you're applying to programs that have an A at the end, make sure you do that for every course that you register into. And the other thing is the location and making sure that you're registering for the correct courses that apply to where you're going to be studying. So the Prince of Wales campus at the Charlottetown Center. So for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and register for the A group. So add section to schedule. And you can see here in the top right corner, it will say that this course has successfully been planned on the schedule. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to skip the rest of the fall courses and we're going to go down to the winter courses here, starting with Business Fundamentals or Intro to Healthcare Informatics. So again, we can go back to our course catalog. And here I found Healthcare. Go ahead and click on that. View available sections. And we're going to go ahead and add this section to the schedule. So the next one on the list for our winter 2026 semester is going to be Intermediate Object-Oriented Programming. So again, back to our course catalog. Scroll down until we see it. Here it is. Go ahead and click on it. View available sections. And again, this is a winter course, 2026 winter, and we're remembering that we're registering for all A courses. So again, add section to schedule. And again, it has been planned here again. Now for the sake of the video, I went ahead and planned for the rest of the classes in the fall and winter semester. I just wanted to kind of show you guys one or two to show you guys how to do it, and you guys can take it from there. So the next step that we have is to register for these classes that we just planned for. So what we can do is scroll up, click Holland College, again, student planning. Now it's time to register, step 2. So we can click Go to Plan and Schedule, which brings us to this calendar view here. If you see these courses here on the left-hand side on the scroll, these are all of your fall 2025 courses. And if you click this arrow here, these are all of the winter courses that we plan for as well. You can see over here on the map, they might be a yellowish color. This is because they're not officially registered. They've just been planned for. So we can go back to our fall 2025 and start here. And we can click Register Now. In doing so, it will register for all the courses that you've planned in this semester. So we'll go ahead and click on it now. And you can see here that they're now green, which means that you've officially registered for your fall 2025 courses. We can hit this arrow and go over to our 2026 semester and do the same thing. So hit Register Now. And again, same thing, you now see your schedule. You're officially registered for your 2026 winter semester. So from here, you have your schedule. You can click on Save to iCal, which will give you a more kind of in-depth schedule for the whole year. You can also print off your schedule as well. You can go over here, click Timeline, and it'll show you all the courses that you're registered for the fall semester and for the winter semester. So if you wanted to, you can go back to the program map and compare the two and make sure that you're in all the right courses for each semester. I hope this video is helpful to you and that you were able to successfully register for your first year classes. If you have any pressing issues, please contact recruitment@hollandcollege.com. We're so excited that you chose Holland College and we can't wait to watch you succeed. See you soon.